Alright everybody, let's go ahead. Screwdriver, then pull the alarm, but this is actually really nice to pull. Here we go. Now to reset it, you put your key in here, turn it, and open it. And you lift the handle. The reason why it's not spring loaded because the spring must be there. If it's spring loaded, which means the spring needs to be in there. Put the thing in and you close it back up. And you close your pull station. So, do you want to do it again? So if you pushing it and you pull straight down, the alarm will activate, and you reset it. Reset your pull station. Also, there's a switch. If you don't need to flip the switch, you see the pull station can switch your thing to normal. So you want to pull again. Nice. Alright, let's go ahead and pull the alarm. You want to pull it again? Push in. Hold on. Whoa! Lightning went over there. I was trying to do this. Whoa! Alright, let's do this again. The switch has been activated. So, which is nice. The key turn, so. So push in, pull down. Again, push in, pull down. I need any chance to put the spring up here. Alright, do you want to do it again? Cool. Do it again. Push in, pull down. Sets. And again, push in, pull down. And it's activated, so you push it back up and you close it. And do it again. Push in, pull down. So, in case instead of you pushing the thing in, you can do this while you're activating the alarm. Put the switch down, it will say activated, and you put the switch back to normal and you close it. That's all you have to do. Do you want to do it again? Okay. All you simply have to do is push in here. Push in, pull down. My conventional manual comp pull station. But I might get a Sharpie for this. Push in, hold down. There you go. Okay, you reset. Now do is close it and turn it here. Once you open it and you close it. You can't. Alright, so a bunch of bad lightning, so here we go. Push in, pull straight down. Push in. Oh, now it says activated. As you can see, there's no yellow sign because all the ComPoint pull stations doesn't say activated, it's just blank. Let's go ahead and reset it.